Well, I take this opportunity to thank Skills for Us for organizing this wonderful conference for the principals of Lucknow. And they did a wonderful job by enlightening all of us with the quantum impact. I think the teachers and heads and coordinators and principals that came here this morning have learned a lot, and I'm sure they're going to implement this in their schools and colleges where they are working. Overall, I would like to thank Mark for making things so very simple on leadership and the roles of a principal as a leader. I think that was really amazing. The takeaway from this conference this morning that we had was I liked the topic on skill-based curriculum, and also I think, enjoyed the activities based on it. The teamwork, the principal that works as a team leader, and the different activities that were performed. I think that was really wonderful. And thank you very much once again, Skills for Us. Thank you.
That was a wonderful session given by Mark, who has contributed a lot of time. On a Sunday, a lot of principals were also here, and so many things they have shared with us which can make more schools and all the schools very effective. And teaching can be very effective, and leadership training they have given to the principals. I'm sure principals would do the wonders in their school. They can bring a lot of change. As per NEP, as per NCF, whatever is a government requirement after this training, they would fulfill in their schools. Thank you so much again to Quantum Impact for bringing such kind of event in our school in Varanasi. Thank you.
Hello everyone. It was really a great takeaway from today's session, and I found it so enriching, believing the fact that learning is possible at any age, at any moment, and whatever inputs we are taking away from this particular session actually enlightens each one of us towards learning as a priority. For me particularly, the takeaways include learning as a priority, how you can make a difference in the classroom by making it a wow spectrum. The win-win approach which the trainer talked about is really a wonderful takeaway. The ownership skills we need to have as teachers, that our children should be the best, should be in practice once again. Thank you.
Today we were all privileged to have a session by Mark. He has come all the way from UK, and he has spoken to about 60 odd principals from all over Varanasi on the importance of acceptance of changes. As we know that change is the only constant. Change is something which we all have to accept. And the only thing which we are all scared of, which we are all fearful of, is change. So how to accept this change in this changing world is what Mr. Mark has spoken about. And I, as a Dean of Academics, is really thankful to my school management and also to the organizers for this particular program.
Right now, my introduction, I give it as principal of a school. But the takeaway from this workshop for me and for my fellow colleagues is I am the lead learner. So that is how I am going to introduce myself for now and in future.
आज का जो हमारा लीडरशिप ट्रेनिंग था, उसमें हमें मार्क सर ने अच्छे से गाइड किया और एक लीडर की क्या क्वालिटी होनी चाहिए, 7 क्वालिटी पे उन्होंने फोकस किया और उन्होंने हमें बहुत कुछ स्कूल और विजन के अकॉर्डिंग NEP 21 के हिसाब से गाइड किया, जो कि बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट था और हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा. लेकिन एज अ प्रिंसिपल, एज अ लीडर, मेरा ये मानना है कि हमारा यहाँ सीखना अभी खत्म नहीं होता. हर दिन हमारी कोई ना कोई शुरुआत होती है और हम सीखते हैं और सीखते रहेंगे. Thank you.
I am truly blessed. I'm feeling skilled in many fields. Accept the change, and then only we are going to shape the future. I'm totally feeling rejuvenated, and I'll be joining from Monday with very enthusiasm, and we'll be exploring just like a new venture for me as a leader of a school. Thank you so much, Skill for Us team. I'm really grateful to the entire team and especially Mr. Mark. Thank you.
It was a wonderful program, and actually we all know everything, but every time revision is required. So when it comes in the form of workshop, it is always good. And in this session we interacted with principals of different schools, and we shared ideas also. We discussed so many things, and overall it was a good. Thank you.
I'm Dipali Makhija from Red Rose Group of Schools. I was really so enlightened with today's session. The way Mr. Mark actually sailed us through the strategic leadership way. It was really so enlightening that the way we are going to keep it up down the hierarchy back to my school. I think everyone will be benefited. Thank you.
As leaders, many a times we don't focus on what is lacking in us, but today's workshop taught us a lot about leadership skills and how to manage things in a much better manner. And we are grateful for the time and the expertise of Mr. Mark Bertram. Thank you.
A wonderful orientation program for principals. Learning is a continuous process. Though most of the things were known to the participants, but the way it was presented with the new dimension, that was more important. With changing times, with changing needs, these type of programs do a lot for the principals who are running schools, which are now expanding, doing well, and this is the need of the hour. The takeaway for us would be that at the end of the seminar, that the questionnaire that we had, and we filled it up, we looked at our own selves in the mirror. It was a wonderful opportunity because when you're entrenched and put in a long tenure in service, normally you don't look back into the mirror. So today it was an opportunity for us to look back into the mirror, and definitely it will improve my own working environment. Thank you so much.
This particular session was entirely different from what we have been attending for so long. He talked about vision and mission of the school and how ethos and accountability can be taken up. So the lens that he used was something which new, and definitely it stuck with us and it's going to stay with us. And also how we can bring the changes in the school, how can we identify the different team players in the group, and how can we have everyone from different areas so that their own expertise of the field can make a change in the school. So we are very, very thankful to Mr. Mark, who has come all the way from UK to take this session, and we heard about him, and today we saw it also. Thank you and Jai Hind.
So it was wonderful attending this event as a coordinator of a school, Quantum Impact, leading the change, shaping the future. As an educator, we believe that such events are going to uplift our skills and it's going to leave a positive impact on all of us. We learned a lot from this event. Mr. Mark has been a great analyst, a change architect who has brought many areas where which we educators have to work upon, and we hope for such events to come again and again and uplift the skills that we educators can impart to our students. I wish all the best to the organizing committee and the event organizers, and I hope that we are part of this community forever and ever. Thank you.
A very enriching experience for all of us. Thank you, Skills for Us, for organizing this session. A lot of things we learned, maybe we were following them, but not with such intent. The main thing was the speaker, the way he conducted the workshop. So as future leaders of the education system, I think this workshop was a big success for all of us. Thank you.
It was a very good and interesting seminar. The seminar was conducted by Mark Bertram, who is a very renowned person in the world. And yes, this seminar on the leadership and the shaping the new India will help us in the future. And maybe we are thinking that we can reform India and regain India as the world guru again.
I had an amazing experience. This is the very first time when I have attended as a principal, and I got to know what all things I can improve on, and I actually got to realize today that I was executing more and planning less strategically, which I got to know today, all thanks to sir. And I would love to have many more such sessions, and I would love to be part of such sessions again. Thank you.
I'm Sarit Ghosh, principal of SBM Public School, Lucknow. It's an ICSE ISC school. I'm delighted to be here in the La Martiniere College. We just had a very nice event, and it was coordinated by Mr. Mark, who is a resource person from England. Myself and all my colleagues, principals of Lucknow and teachers of Lucknow, we had a very nice session today, right from 10 o'clock in the morning till now. And though I have around 30 years of experience, still I learned a lot of things from today's meet. The takeaways from today's meet is great, and it was also a chance to meet various fellow principals of Lucknow, and particularly the principal of La Martiniere, Lucknow. I hope we have such meets in Lucknow again. Thank you very much.
This workshop is exactly what we as principals need to ensure that we are able to identify the gaps in implementation of the whole transformation cycle. Up until now, we were having workshops and capacity building for teachers. But this workshop was solely aimed at giving the principals a platform to understand what impact they make to a system. And my takeaway from today's workshop is that I'm not just a principal, I'm the lead learner of my school. So in order to maintain the kind of discipline or any policy matter in my school, I just need to let my staff members keep up with me instead of giving them straightforward instructions to follow. So yes, it's been a great awareness session on how a principal should be and how and why a principal is the most important person in a school, because the principal drives the school.
Quantum Impact for providing us this very important stage to share our ideas. New education policy has taken a very important step to create great minds in our education systems, and we are here to share our ideas to create a great minds in India education systems. Thank you.
I'm really thankful to him for organizing such a beautiful event, creating a wonderful platform for all the school leaders, and most important is enriching them with the required stuff of the time, how a leader can become a visionary and what is the importance of such a leader for the school, and how the leaders need to be equipped with such trainings by the mentors of international standards. So I'm really thankful, and I feel that all the principals definitely will get a lot of benefit. Even in the first part of the session, it was a mind-blowing session and really enriching.
Really, I'm enjoying this program and gaining a very fantastic experience, and I hope that Dr. S.P. Singh would keep on taking such type of initiatives to provide better opportunities for all the principals of surrounding districts. Thank you very much.
Every time we discuss only about our syllabus, our curriculum, and also all-round development of our students. But this time is an all-round development of principal. Thank you so much.
This sort of platform, I think, give an opportunity to take something from ourselves, because end of the day, we are responsible for whole and soul, and that is must. This sort of workshop gave a more learning, and as we say, the human who stop learning, they cannot go further. So thank you very much.
I'm Ritu Damija, Principal Siddhartha Public School, and today I attended this workshop which was very informative. I learned a lot. I knew about the key features which a leader can have in it, and definitely some of the qualities I have in me and some of the qualities I need to get, and definitely I'll work on this and I'll try to be a good leader. This was really informative and beneficial for me. Thank you so much.
A lot of takeaways today. A very valuable session. The resource person, Dr. Mark, was very engaging, and overall it was a wonderful session we attended today. Thank you so much.
And this is really very good platform for the principal to become a good leader, and I'm really thankful for Mr. Mark for his excellent training strategy he is giving us. It's really great. Thank you so much
for initiating this workshop of this capacity, the quantum impact. In fact, it is a very impactful session that we are having here, and we believe that the strategic leadership program which he has initiated will help us delve deeper into ourselves. He is saying things that we know but maybe we never realized. So thanks to Mark for creating and curating such a workshop which is unique in itself. Thank you once again.
It was definitely a beautiful session. The two things that I learned, one is the importance of I as a leader instead of we. The second thing that I liked was the types of leaders, and most of us know a lot of things about the categories of leader that we have seen, but now we are able to actually categorize ourselves as one of those leaders, and we'll be able to improve ourselves in that case. Thank you so much.